Alright.
What?
I forgot where we were. The Academy of Science. It's been a cool morning so far.
Okay, here we go with these two.
Drum roll on these tickets, y'all.
We don't know.
We don't know. But we're good either way. We're gonna go to the service desk. So we got these tickets off a ticket. And we got these tickets off of tickets. And
got these tickets off of tickets.
And we didn't look at the review, but then when we looked at posts, they were saying things like they may or may not accept it. So we're about to see right now, all right, y'all? So, hi, how you doing? Happy Saturday. We just wanted to get a question answered. Earlier this morning before arriving, we had called, we spoke to someone by the name of Andy in regard to this issue of purchasing tickets off of a website called Tickets. And so you just wanted to see, do we check in here to see if they, yeah. Okay.
Let me see what you got.
Cool. Okay, cool. Alright, so as you heard, it worked. It worked, y'all. So, yeah. We'll talk about that later. But it worked. So we're in right now, the Academy of Science in San Francisco. And you should definitely, if you've never done it, check it out. Alright? It's pretty chill. So we're going to get some good flicks and stuff today. And after we're done, I think you're going to want to come here as well. All right? See you in a minute. Bye. Here's what they have. Isn't that cool? This is the tide pools. Look at the fish.
Look at that fish.
Yep.
It's a little funny, huh?
This is a prop.
I don't like waiting.
You don't like waiting? You want to do something else to come back?
No, because I'm sure everywhere is like this, so let's just get it over with.
See?
But yeah, I'm excited to
But we
see.
ain't yeah.
Huh?
Go.
Is it very up close to me right now? Okay.
Look at it, see?
Oh, yeah. I'm excited to see some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful butterflies.
Yeah.
All butterflies are beautiful.
It's nice. This is how we really get those views. I hop in it. I say,
Get stuck.
I'm ready to start baptizing right now.
You would go viral.
Crocky, mate. Live here at the California Academy of Science.
And this is a hiding out spider. This day-active lizard lives along rainforests, rivers, and streams. A good swimmer, it flies into the water when in danger. Populations of the southeastern girdled lizard are declining as the wetlands they depend on are cleared for farming. Wow. Wait, it mentioned lizard. I don't see a lizard.
Music on my mind.
Butterflies are very demure, very cutesy, and mice.
Indeed. Very demure. Indubitably. Very demure.
Oh,
See? That's real.
wondrous weavers. Weaving all right. Look at all the stuff he done weave. Yeah, I'm good.
What if it moved?
I'm out. That thing turned into 3D. I mean, bro, we would be stuck in here.
Why?
That thing got big on us.
Oh,
Bruh.
start growing?
Yeah.
Little guy.
You wanted to go through the trench.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy. Come here, Squishy.
Where's the turtle? Oh, wow. Turtle dude. Gator dude. This is a whole Jurassic Park vibe right here.
可是我觉得自己很会躲，我觉得自己躲得很好。
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, no, no.
Alright, so we finished the aquarium. We did the rainforest. And now,
African wild dogs.
we're in Africa. Oh, y'all look at this. It says humans are primates, but not all primates are humans.
You want me to do my narrating? Humans are primates, but not all primates are human. They use tools and live in Africa.
I don't share no DNA with no dang monkey.
Questions. Pretty cool to learn about this incredibly unusual bird. Some of the challenges that they face in their native range and things that people can do to help. And to see some really cool feed behaviors. So if you'd like to join us.
Alright, we came, we saw, we conquered. Send it, subscribe, share, send it to your favorite church mother. Just in with the Jacksons.